Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, simulating human intelligence in machines and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From machine learning to natural language processing, AI's dynamic landscape is a tapestry of innovation and controversy. At the heart of AI's current revolution is machine learning, particularly deep learning, which empowers algorithms to make decisions from vast data without explicit instructions. Meanwhile, natural language processing has revolutionized how we interact with technology, birthing virtual assistants that understand and respond to us with startling clarity. AI's eyes, through computer vision, now recognize faces and interpret complex scenes, driving forward autonomous vehicles and transforming medical diagnostics. Yet the deployment of such autonomous systems is a dance with regulatory and safety challenges. The ethical landscape of AI is equally complex, with privacy, bias, and fairness at the forefront of global debates. Governments and organizations are grappling with frameworks for AI governance, striving for a balance between innovation and accountability. As AI redefines healthcare and the workforce, it promises improved outcomes and efficiency, but also demands a rethinking of job roles and education. The quest for artificial general intelligence looms on the horizon, a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of machines that can truly think like us.